Hi, my name is Eddie with Multi-Man Services, and in this video I'd like to explain a little bit about proper gutter maintenance and what we can do to prevent the seeds and leaves getting into our gutter, and how we can save ourselves a lot of money in the long run. So I'll go up there and do a quick gutter inspection. This is what you can expect when you have your gutters cleaned from Multi-Man Services. Okay, first thing I'd like to point out is that these gutters were completely chock full of maple leaves and helicopters, and they were already growing roots, and there was a ton of dirt in there. And as you can see, we had done a perfect job in getting the grounds cleaned up. All the mud and gook off the house is our main priority. So, and of course, safety is our priority too. So I'm going to go up there and we're going to take a look at the house and do a brief inspection on the gutters and the roof. Okay, we just got to the gutter line here, and we can see that we got all the gut debris out of the gutter. And we'll start with a general inspection. The left side of this gutter is supposed to be the high point, and the right side of the gutter is supposed to be the low point. And as you can see, that is the case. We have right there an area where there is no flashing protecting or ensuring that the water does not go behind the gutter. So when that is not present, that flashing that needs to be there, water can go behind the gutter, sometimes go behind the fascia board and start rot. So that's important to get that flashing there. I am noticing on this little screw here, they're starting to back out. They're rusty, and in my opinion, they're hung a little low. If you can see how they're angled in the wrong way. They're supposed to be level with the top of the gutter, but not the biggest issue. Your gutter is hanging. Just thought I'd bring that to your attention. A couple of shingle debris. I'm gonna go up there and we'll talk about that. Okay, for whatever reason, we just have random pieces of shingles in this spot here. The only places I'm seeing where there's missing shingles is right here and here at the moment. And there's some nail pops that are starting to be exposed. The caulk is drying out, so I would recommend getting some shingles put over there, resealing this. Looking at this chimney, this top concrete crown here is really starting to crumble. Our Midwestern winters, the freezing and thawing, you can see somebody already tried to do a tune-up, but it's really deep. And anytime we see these cracks in here like this, we're going to want to either get it retuck pointed, caulked, and sealed really nicely. So if you'd like a quote for that, we can offer that. Okay, so we're seeing a little bit more of the sealant lifting up here on the flashing. Gutters seem to be in pretty decent condition. All the debris is out. The water is seemed to have negative flow. So I saw the water flowing over to here with no outlet over here. This should flow over there. Got the deck cleaned up, but organized the furniture there. In these valleys right here, I noticed there was a ton of debris, and there's a lot of mud and it's starting to develop, a little bit of mold and algae. You can see the spots starting to develop, and once those turn into lichen and moss, then we have a bigger problem. It'll grow roots down into your shingles. So I'm going to encourage a roof cleaning. I'm going to zoom in on here on this chimney, starting to see the cracks, a little bit of black mold, and on the other side there is a brick that's already crumbled. So definite maintenance needed on this chimney as well. Alright, we're on the lower roof here. You can see that the flashing details is starting to come up from the house, and the nails are popping, so we're going to want to put rubber grommet screws all along here and reseal all of those holes. And this caulk is starting to crack and dry up. We're going to get that sealed up. Roof is in about average condition. It looks like it's around 8 to 10, 15 years old. Cracks. I don't think that's a big problem there, but I'm going to encourage this chimney to get cleaned, sealed up with outdoor silicone protectant, and then a latex protectant on the chimney. I'm going to zoom in here on the siding a little bit. What you see here is actually mold, and this can be cleaned with a low pressure cleaning detergent. No high pressure. Your house will remain mold and algae free, or algae free, green algae free for up to 2 years, and it'll help keep all the spider webs and nasties off your house. Wanted to thank you for watching this video, and if you have any questions or concerns about our service, don't hesitate to give me a call on my personal cell, 815-520-6020, and we can help you get some of those maintenance things taken care of on your house. Nothing is blaringly crazily wrong right now, but you know, with proper maintenance and being proactive about these things, you can actually save yourself a lot of money in the long run. So I mean, it was a pleasure to work for you guys. I definitely encourage you to do 2 gutter cleans a year, one at the end of spring like we just did today, and at the end of fall. So that'll help ensure no ice dam problems and any issues. So if you were to do any maintenance and need some quotes, let us know. We'll get that to you. And it's an honor and a privilege to work for you. Tell your friends and family and neighbors about us. We're a small family-owned, operated company, and we literally survive off of happy clients and referrals from you. So have an awesome week, and we'll see you in the fall.